in, South Western Railway service from London Waterloo, guys. Up to part 2 of train to Exeter and Davids. 159020 at the back. Coming in now is cross-country service to Penzance. It's running a bit late, as most trains are today actually, for some reason, don't know why. And we'll come back in a few seconds once this train departs. Guys, back part now is the 1740 something. I just think it's running late anyway, something like that. I can't remember the bloody time. I know it's going to Penzance anyway, guys. Cross-country service. Service off the Penzance there, guys, and we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Cheers. And guys, got another train coming in now. I think this is forming the 1748 service to Bristol Temple Meads.
The front of the station for the 1800 bus service to Bude, calling at Oakhampton, Holsworthy,
150-125 at the front of the train.
1800 bus service to Bude.
Number as it got at the front. 150266 at the back of that train as well. Yeah, we'll come back in a few seconds, guys, with another train.
Western Railway service to Paignton.
Guys, coming in now is the 1757 service to Paignton.
Starcross, Dawlish Warren,
Under 3 coaches.
Tinman, Newton Abbot, Torquay and Paignton. This train has 3 coaches.
153329 at the front. 150238 at the back. And we'll come back in a few seconds, guys, once this Paignton train departs. Right, Paignton train now departing, guys. Well, like I said, we'll come back in a few seconds, but the London Pound train is just about to come in now, guys.
40 seconds before departure.
Up in the far distance. And he's more or less on time. Well, technically 3 minutes late, but that's nothing. He'll make make
May
that
I
up.
have your attention, please? Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
Number 43097 at the front, guys. And we'll catch a number at the back soon, which will be 43042 at the back with the GWR livery. And we'll come back in a few seconds, guys, once it departs. Might as well show you. Okay, guys, might as well just show you the train at ride on platform 1. Going to Barnstable, the number 150221. I think I got that on part 1 of my video, but I'm not sure. But yeah, even if I did, I'll show you it again. So yeah. And over on platform 5, we've got the 1801 service to London Paddington. Looks like it's ready to depart any second now. Yep, it's got a signal now. Off to London Paddington, 1801. Leaving about 8 minutes late leaving, although it was about 3 to 4 minutes late coming in, so yeah, that's still alright, it'll make up that time. Anyway guys, that would do for part 2 of Trains Exeter and David. I might come back with a part 3 very soon. If I don't come back with part 3, make sure to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next video in the near future, guys. Cheers.